Say, this is Lily Shawanala from CMTV. This is calling your partner to confirm if your partner is loyal. I'm in the street. I want to test relationships. If your partner is loyal, you get 1,000 rand. If your partner is cheating, you don't get anything. Let's go, Chris.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso, so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena ungihlanyisa wena, don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awudokungamnendaba nakho. Angithi sinasesenzile loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akakho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina?
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?
My sister, hello. Legay. Everything. My name is Lily Shawanala. I'm from CMTV. I'm doing a show where I test relationships. So I wanna give you 1,000 rand if your partner is loyal. What all?
Kyajola.
Oh, okay. Good news. Kukupareme kamo if you don't mind.
Okay.
Oscar Chumakele Jachi. As I said, my name is Lily. Vitola Hakwanama.
Nake Palisa.
Palesa. Nice to meet you, Palesa. So, you know, it's my first time giving that Palesa. Palesa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So, what inspired you to have, again, what do you call this?
Piercing.
Piercing. But this is not a lip piercing. Is it, what is it?
Hey, I kiss with you repeatwang and I know the way linka tong abona itule le tlhogo ya teng.
Ya o tshwanela.
Is it?
Yeah, I was bona ka 2,000 yana so.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. What all? I believe so.
Hey, ke a ratana.
Okay,
Joel.
nice. So, lebitso la kwena kana Palesa. So, Jola le mam, motho o kana kwa ke mang?
Oh, motho wa ka ke Philane.
Philane. Le na le ha o le ratana?
Re na le 2 years.
2 years. Okay. And it's a major relationship alena. Are you happy?
Yeah, ke happy so far.
When last did you see him?
Mabane.
Okay. Do you have a baby together or are you pregnant? What's up?
Oh, re na le ngwana, o na le 8 months.
Okay. Wa morata marate ka?
Ke a mo rata haholo.
I can see even with the fit our mo file ngwana. It looks promising.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna test today. We're gonna call him. Re tlo mo testa. Re tlo mo founela re mmotsa re tsola le mang or o ratana le mang or o nyetse mang. I agree maybe got a lot of motho o nyetse somebody else. You know that it's possible. Do you know that?
Why etsala?
Yeah, it's possible.
Cheat ka ntle ka mo.
Yeah, got a lot is married to someone. But I'm not saying that. I'm just giving you an example. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yes. This is my phone. I'm gonna call him on it. Because I teach number zak.
Okay.
So we go about tool while I'm calling.
Okay.
Yeah. Why can't you shapile so?
Na? Ona mo ke yang ke rata fela hore ke dule ke le montle.
Okay. I think he answered. I dropped the call. Okay, sorry about that.
Hello.
Hey, how's it?
Sharp, Punjan.
I'm good. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm doing a show here where I test relationships. Your partner is here. We want to ask you a few questions to test if you're loyal. If you're loyal, your partner is going to get 1,000 rand. So can I ask you a few questions if you don't mind?
Okay.
Is your partner light skinned or dark skinned?
Oh, I'm thick. Yellow bone.
A fake yellow bone.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. So when last did you see her?
About 2 days ago.
2 days. Okay. And how long have you been together?
Yo, mina nomuntu manje push about 4 months.
4 months. Oh, it's a new relationship.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, pregnant?
Ay. Ngifuna umuntu pregnant. Namtana.
So out of umuntu pregnant, that means when you'll never be a stepfather or date someone who has a baby.
Never, angeke.
Okay. And lebitso la gagwe ke mang?
Ke Lerato.
Ke Lerato. Ke ena fela.
Ana kutlwana le Lerato.
O sure?
Khotna.
100%.
100.
Wa motho.
Philani
Baby.
o reng o re lerato ke mang o re lerato ke mang
Lerato.
he wena
O re lerato ke
wa
mang?
ntšhitela
Next,
wa ntšhitela ene o pheya le ngwana
O lerato ke mang?
lerato ke mang
network.
Ke network e eng?
Serious.
Network e etsang?
Aisha, got man eklabu le na mtsuma.
he wena Philani ke re wa ntšhitela na ke mang lerato ke mang lerato wa jola ene wa tseba gore re na le ngwane monnyane wa cheata wena o humanizer wena o ntloela
Ore
gampe wa
nne
tseba
ba Joel motho
o
ana le.
ntloela gampe wa tseba
O motlwele?
o ntloela gampe serious Philani
Ore
ke mang lerato
Ore nne ba Joel motho ana le ngwana.
Na baby ke mjweditse ka.
he wena o pheya what about ngwana rona wa tseba gore re na le ngwana nna le wena o na leng 8 months what about ngwana rona
Eish.
o humanizer wena o ntloela gampe wena
Ke kgopela
Tja
mo
kwena.
question.
sis wa cheata
So wena o na le ngwana mfetho
Sis.
le Palesa.
Eish.
Eh?
Got man re tla bu.
O itse wena o batle motho ana le ngwana and o na le ngwana le Palesa. So a se ngwana gago gore go etsala.
go is wa ntlhantsha
O se o se ka tla ka dikgorotomane re tla bua ra bua kere. Please answer the question.
Eish. Yeah, ne.
So o na le ngwana le ena.
Ngwana ya.
Ke wa gago ngwana o a kere.
Ka utlwa got.
Kere ke ngwana wa gago o a kere na. I want you to answer.
Yes.
Okay.
o ntloela gampe wa tseba wena o ntloela gampe serious o ntloela gampe wa cheata ke mang lerato ke batla o montshe lerato wa gago ke batla o montshe o ntloela gampe wena
Ao botsa gore ke mang?
Baby bas.
ene ga o fetsa o re girlfriend o re nna o nqenne neng o re 2 days ago
Oh,
a ke re ne ke na le wena maabane ne ke na le wena or 2 days ago o ne le lerato
Lerato.
hei ke tlo o lokisa wena ke tlo o bontsha gore ke nna mang o ntloela gampe ene never o sa pheta o bona ngwana never o sa pheta o bona ngwana
Mmotsise gore leswitse ba lentsha plastic ya ba lejana or ba ija.
yaanong wena le lerato wa gago le a e sebedisa condom ke batla o tseba ene o ntšwetse nnete ke batla o tseba o ntšwetse nnete
Man baby nane ke tshare khole ke scam my love. Wa itse kwena fela man.
ai o maaka
Why a sa botsa motsa answer the question. A re ask a botsa ka call. Answer
Ah,
question.
ke batla
Wa e sebedisa or not?
wa e sebedisa condom o jwang bua nnete
Ai ngwana le ka nama baby ma.
yo e wa ntlhantsha wa itse
Wena lena le ija ka eng?
ga re sebedise protection that's why re na le ngwana
And then yena le
le lerato ke yo ga ba e sebedise o tšho gore mosane wa kuliwa mo o tšho gore ke a kuliwa.
Mara did you see the news? Ba re batho ba South Africa ba sa sebedisa di-condom these days. Ba re ko di-shopong di-condom a di rekwe di jutse fela.
jo
So
Philani,
it's
o ntloela
true.
masepa wa tseba o ntloela masepa wa itse o ntloela masepa ga o fetsa ebilaneng ga o sebedise le condom o ntloela masepa ke tla o lokisa
Ene le tsa mahala di teng mara batho ba dinke even though di le mahala.
wa itse o ntloela masepa ande o tšho gore ga ntse o sokodisa ka tšhelete ya dikhimbi tsa ngwana o fa bo leratonyana bao ba gago ke batla o mmona leratonyane o wa gago ke batla o mmona o ntloela gampe
Lerato ke side chick or ke main or ke eng? O go replaces or ke eng? Ke side.
e le gore leratonyane o wa gago
Re gopela o bue more ka se bue re le one phela.
Baby man jo jetsa ba tshitaba tsa gona.
ya
Ke tla bua.
wa nkwatisa lerato ke mang ke eng ke side chick or ke motho wa o serious maybe ke ene o serious bua
A o tsa wena pele my love.
a o ntloela gampe ga o fetsa o sebedise protection o ntloela masepa wena o ntloela masepa
A modambe santse ra re fa number phone tsa or o na le yena. Ke utlwile bo etsa mosadi ka mo backgrounding. O na le yena or
o na le yena lerato o wa gago
ra re fa di number.
o re fe di-number tsa gae o na le yena leratonyane o wa gago ke batla o tseba o mo kae ebileng o mo kae
Baby wena o ko kae wena?
O na le nna mo.
hei o sele gante o humanizer so
So
o humanizer so
o
o sele
na le lerato na or o mo tloetse na a mo founele. Santse re be le conclusion a kere.
bua wa itse ke
Or wena o batla no mo tloela a na le lerato ntse.
mokeleng o ntloela gampe
My baby wa tshwana le na bua le batho. Feta ba tshitaba tsa gona.
No, o bua le nna. O bua
ke
le
batla o tseba mphe di-number tsa lerato o ke batla o tseba ke eng o etsalang o na le yena moo or o na le yena moo
Baby ba ke wena o tsamaile o teng.
Oh, that's why I bua so.
oh that's why o bua so wa tsa keng a ke sa o batla ne le ngwana a never sa pheta o
So
mmona
o bua so because o na le ene.
o ngefa le opportunity ya gore ke bana le motho wa ka please
fo tshek wena sefebe Fotsek wena Sefebe a ke bue le wena.
Ke ena Lerato. Ke kopa o sware
A ke
phone.
bue le wena. O ntloela hampe, o ntloela hampe.
Motho mogolo, o ka re wa go feta.
Shem, o ntloela hampe Sefebe. O tlo lahla. O tlo lahla. Le wena o tlo o cheatela. Le wena o tlo o cheatela. O tlo o cheatela. Sis. Shem.
Ke le pension no.
You deserve each other. You deserve
Wait, I'm
each other.
Go etsagalang.
Sis.
My sister. O reng ke mo mogolo ke mka
Are yena ke le Ben 10 are nna ke mogolo o tšho jalo are Philane sa batla ma Ben 10 so o tšho o reng wena o le
o batla le Ben 10
o confused this Febe kwena o confused man
le Ben 10 ke mang ke Philane
hey wena o re le Ben 10 ke mang le Ben 10 ke mang ke batla o tseba
to have a good relationship.
le Ben 10 ke mang le Ben 10 ke mang
When I tell go mo baby mama.
sis I wonder o jwang I wonder o shebala jwang ke galla o bona you two you deserve each other and le wena o tla o mithisa a o cheatela a o sie o le jwalo your bitch
I'm 2 months pregnant.
sis woo 2 months pregnant woo shame
o re ena o pregnant
o tšho yalo a re ena o pregnant o tšho re wena e wena Philane
Philane a bue mo re mo utlo gore
e wena Philane o ska tlo re baby ko nna o ska tlo re baby o ska tlo re baby
go etsagalang
go tšho 2 years e ntse le fela maka relationship ya ka le wena e ntse le fela maka
Philane wa go feta gore wa mo feta
ai wa mfeta ka 2 years wa mfeta yaanong Sefebe se sona a se re ke mogolo mo Philane ke wena o jetse pitše a gore ke mogolo mo wena
ke Ben 10
for sure ke Ben 10 ya yena Lerato wa hae not nna cause nna o mfeta ka 2 years
so Philane o rata batho ba bagolo
Philane
wena motho o buang le ena wa mmatla
Lerato ke re Lerato wa hao yena o na le how many years Lerato wa hao o na le how many years joko ba ibile o bua nnete a re 2 months pregnant bua ke batla o tseba bua ke batla o tseba
bua re utlwe
17
ke mang o 17
o reng o re mo feta ka 17 years o na le 17 years
o na le 17 years
o
wa petea
o na le 17 years
bua
e wena bua
this serious matters
o la
very
mo ntse o
quickly
cheatela o na le nako e kae le ena
wait my sister o reng motho o na le 17 years
o tšho ya a re bile wa birthday ebile ha o swabe le swabe so tsebe le birthday tsa hae o re very soon wa birthday so tsebe le di birthday tsa hae ai ho monate ba wena
ai mara my sister
cheatera ko wena
ge le gore motho o na le 17 years o re Ben 10 e etsang o bitsa Thulane Ben 10
o tšho re Lerato yena nna batla gore yena ke le Ben 10 a tsebe le gore le Ben 10 le minang a ka se re o le ngwanyana bo re le
o batla gore ke ena le 2000
ya o batla gore ke ena le 2000 jaanong a re ke le Ben 10 o na tšho yena for sure ebile ha kena le sekolo e wena o tsamaya sekolong thaka tsa o di sekolong o tlo learn how to talk Sefebe beach se ke bua le beach ya wena beach e kgolo le di beach le 2
pitša le Ben 10
o ka Lerato wa o tholetseng jaanong o tholetseng o ska tlo ntšotsa ka bo busy o kopane ka le rubbish eo o kopane ka le yona ke batla o tseba wa sa wa ntšhisa o ka reng ke be ke lemo o ka reng ke be o lemo wa ntšhisa serious wa ntšhisa
my sister
o etsa le gore ke ntshe capse ke lahleleko
so what is the way forward o tlo continue le yena or let's jwa
ai a ke sa mmatla a ke sa o batla wa cheat you two deserve each other jolang amnat I can't wait for ho be le o mong because very soon go tlo ba le o mong if ever maybe ha so be teng for tag a ke bile wena
re go bua le yena hello my sister o re wa etsagalang kwena sugar mama or kwena Ben 10 o men kwena le 2000 go regalang
You're 2K.
o le 2K oh okay bye bye
hey wa ntšhisa wait
I don't even know what to say to her
jo I'm so disappointed
it's okay
wa itse ke disappointed o re ke lle
o tlo kry-a motho
o re ke lle ene ka nako o le ngwana ka o santsana le monnyane
ke fa ke Thulane ke Philane or ke Thulane
Philane
ke fa gage
e feng
e o e roleng
a ke aka
oh sure.
Itse ke a tsheya fela mara pelo ya ka botlhoko.
And you look good, like yes, like you'll get someone who will like you.
Ai, for now ke batla space. For now ke batla space. The way ke leng hectic ka teng.
La mona my sister already feel young guys. I'm sure once someone here watching online umsira so tlo tla go yana.
Wa tsa ke het pelo ya ka botlhoko. Ntse ke sa tsebe gore ganti motho wa ntshitela. Nna ke busy ke itjwetsa gore ha ke motho ka o serious.
Skawara.
Yo.
O tlo thola motho. The way o tshwara ka teng le nna ke a bona gore o tlo thola motho. Sa pele ka di Air Force. Crop top.
I wish ke mothole.
O tlo mothola motho.
I wish ke mothole itse ke a tsheya fela. I wish ke mothole.
O tlo mothola skawara.
Pelo ya ka botlhoko itse. Pelo ya ka botlhoko ne ke sa tsebe gore motho o ganti wa cheat.
Do you have any advice for people who are watching? Any advice about this experience?
Yeah, why is guys? Banna ba re tlhopha bathong. Di boyfriend tsa rona ai di a re tlhopha. Make sure like o find out gore motho wa ha o cheatele na because bona nna ne ke le clueless ke sa tsebe nix. I only find out hona jwanong gore motho a ncheatela. 2 years ago fela no sna sign ho sna nix. Mare ke mo. So ke tlo advisor guys out there hore please make sure hore motho wa hao wa di moves tsa hae o mo shebe hore wa cheata or yang le skela tshwana le nna ke bile stupid 2 years ago fela ke bile stupid ke yo hape o mithisitse ona jwanong ngwana rona na le 8 months o mithisitse hape yeah pelo ka bohloko I don't wanna lie.
Sorry my sister re ka o thola counseling
ke I need o le bile re na le ngwana ke I need.
Okay kopa nkemele mona ne my team e tlo wa attend then ba tlo arrange counseling ba tlo arrange ne.
Okay ke a leboga.
Tamen how are you?
Ngiyaphila mlo ngaphila mlo.
Motho na bua go phone ngile 2000.
She doesn't sound like a 2000 though.
Ne? O re gera le pen 10.
Before uthi mini 2000.
Bamba mina I have my own.
Before uthi mini 2000 athi pen 10. Bega confused.
Ora mara ya khona or 2000 skala tsa or 2000.
Nali confused.
Ayo khone gale ne?
Khona nali confused.
But I mean, what is your input in terms of
Yeah. Bring it.
Like, what do you think about the current state of Mujola right now in South Africa?
Awusenalo Mujolo no. Mujolo awusali. No. Awusenalo Mujolo.
Wow Mujolo.
Sekuyadlalwana. Yeah, umuntu ngena ku so called umjolo ngokuthi ngizotholani kwena.
Do you think it's only marriages that people should look for instead of Mujolo?
I think people should look for umjolo because umshado it's even worse.
Why you say worse?
Imishado it's even worse when you look at imishado yamanje this generation I last to show ukuthi umuntu ungena emshadweni not with the purpose ukuthi ngifuna uhlala nalo muntu forever. Yes basho kanjalo uma bemile ku pulpit angithi bathi yes forever and ever but it doesn't work that way. As soon as umuntu engena lapho uyazi ukuthi ungeneleni. You understand? It's either usisi unemali or ubhuti unemali. Angithi imshado yakho it does not last.
So if imali ayikho
akaze kwenzeka abashade bothu bengenamali. It's impossible.
Yenzakala eLimpopo. Elimpopo ifamily inemali yakushadisa.
Mhla ifamily. Mhlambe ke basekho kodwa hayi la. Yabona idropeni. Mhlambe emakhaya basekhona laba bana leyo nto ukuthi yazini uthando lukhona.
Wena ukashada nomuntu wasemakhaya?
If ngimthanda yes, ngashada naye. If ngimthanda.
Why ufake if? Wena ukashada nomuntu wasemakhaya?
Ngashada naye mangimthanda mlungu. Yabona mangimthanda ngashada naye. Because into ebalekile uthando. Akusimali leso ebengenele emshadweni. Uthando. As long as
wena uyathandana.
Manje ngiyathandana.
Uyathandana?
Yeah, manje ngiyathandana.
Ngiyambela?
Yeah. Asengishintshe kakhulu mlo.
Asivale. Thank you guys for watching. This is Lily Tlhono from CMTV. See you guys on the next one.
Danko.
Away.
Oh, cause ungisizile like ungenze ngafind out iqiniso so it's fine.
Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Hey, wena ungihlanyisa wena don't make me mad. Tell me now.
Tell me now.
Awulokhu ngamnendaba nakho. Angithi sina sesenzile i-loyalty test sibonile ukuthi yena akekho faithful. Into ezokwenza yona.
And saying light skinned since nini mina.
Asikaqedi washelwa yimina wena.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me is that when you are stuck with my girlfriend.
Why are you cheating?